When a grafting starts being successful, here we can see the tree buds taking over. We have to keep an eye that we don't accidentally hit it, and it is supported from the wind. This is a short graft, that's why we put them short, so the wind doesn't so they don't get caught in wind, and it cannot move the contact area with the rootstock. After they will successfully start budding seriously, for example, they will have a growth this up high, around 10 centimeter growth, we can just get a knife and slither 2 slices in the tape, just cutting the surface tape so that the cyan has some space to grow and it won't be suffocated by the tape. So start peeking around, check if there are any growth from the rootstock and remove them, and that's all for now. Hope you had any success with your grafting, and if you have any problems, just drop us a line. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe.